Google just finished this year's Google I/O 2021 keynote event where we saw the company announcing some major announcements to Android 12, new AI, and even some updates to Google Photos and Google Maps. So if you missed watching this event, I'm going to be covering all the major announcements that Google made at this event. So stick with me till the end of this video. Also, if you want to catch up everything that Google announced, you can head over to gadgets360.com. So before further ado, let's get started. Google announced Smart Canvas that will let you start a Google Meet video call right from Google Doc, Sheet or Slide. You will be able to rearrange people's position in the grid and also add live translations. For Android 12, Google has added a new Material You design where you will be able to change the color of the theme according to your custom wallpaper. The beta version is available starting today and works on devices by 11 phone makers including Xiaomi. At its event, Google also announced LaMDA, its new AI-powered conversation technology. Though not much is known about LaMDA as of now, the company showed pre-recorded demos of the AI talking as Pluto and Paper Plane.
The wind blowing against you and the trees flying past are quite the sight.
You will now be able to easily delete what you searched on Google and get reminded by Google Maps that your location history is on. Apart from these, Google said it will be adding more security features to its services and apps in the coming days. Google has partnered with Samsung and said that its Wear OS and Samsung's Tizen will be combined to offer a new platform. This will lead to its wearables having faster loading apps and better battery life. There are new effects coming to the Photos app where it can now combine multiple photos to make a moving image using neural networks. It's also adding new types of moments with more control over the ability to hide your photos. Google has also introduced some updates to the maps. It will soon help you navigate malls, train stations, and airports better. You will be able to see information about restaurants according to time of the day and check if a particular area is crowded. Google is also looking to offer a feature on some Pixel and Samsung Galaxy devices which will transform the phone into a digital car key. Now this feature supports UWB and NFC, and the company has confirmed that BMW is the only car maker right now it has partnered with. So that was pretty much everything that Google announced at its event. Let me know in the comment section below what you liked the most. Also, like always, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all things tech.